Alright guys, our electricians are done here at the Remington build. So we're going to put up the ceiling, which is going to be metal. It's going to be white. They chose white for a ceiling here. So we have J-trim that runs along the side and then all the way down, up over the peak, back down, over. So we'll put our steel up, push it all the way to the side, and then we have a piece of trim that we'll put in after to trim out this side of the porch. It's just a little custom piece I have them make, and that way you can't put up a full piece of steel if you have J-trim here and here, just because you can't bend it and manipulate it in there. So we J-trim next to the house, out, and then we will put up our last trim once we have all the steel up. So that's what we're working on now. We got all our trims up, and we're going to start putting the ceiling panels up. How we do our ceilings on when we have a metal roof, because we have ribs, is we have the electricians just loop up their wire where they want to light. I'll cut the holes. I have a little tool that I use in installing ductwork that makes a nice little circle cut. They want 6-inch circles cut out, so I'll cut those for them and pull their wires through, and then they can come back and hook their lights up. Metal can span 8 foot and handle insulation. Obviously this is a porch, there's going to be no insulation, but you can see we have a nailer on each side and then one down the middle, and this is 8 feet. So we're going to have more than enough to screw these in. Like up here we added nailers on each side and up the middle. So that's all you need to do. It could span the 8 feet, but it's nice to have a little extra support in the middle. So that's the deal. We're gonna get going. Hopefully we can get this whole front porch done today, and then the back one tomorrow. Just a little right angle dealio. Slide it down. That. You good? This side's tight. Always seems like these go in harder up.
Need more up strength.
Oh man, I'm just getting old. Alright guys, this is the tool I was talking about. So whenever we do a metal ceiling, we have the electricians run their wires, just leave them hang down. We'll cut the hole to the size they want. In this case, it's 6-inch hole, round hole. This is a tool I use for some HVAC stuff when I put takeoffs on, and it works perfect for this. It does send out hot burrs though, I will tell you that. All right, guys, thanks for watching that video. I'm at the 60x80s putting in hundreds of screws, so I'm kind of hot, but we appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any other questions on installing a porch ceiling, metal specifically, feel free to leave them in the comments. But as always, we appreciate you guys watching, and we will catch you on the next video.